episode because today I get to reveal to you my new yard. So I'm excited. I finally got moved in, finally got settled, so what you see behind you is a blank slate. The majority of that in the near future is going to be total garden. I'm so excited. I found a 0.3 of an acre yard. So I'm excited to do that. As you can see in the background, I've got fruit trees. So May's tip of the month is if you move into a new place, plant your fruit trees right away. And the reason why is because they take several years to get going before they start bearing fruit. And in today's world, we don't always stay in the same place for forever. And so you want to get your fruit trees in right away. So I learned that from my last house. So I've got a bunch of fruit trees that I just went and bought. I got apricot, I've got nectarine, peaches, cherries, I've got plum. So I'm really excited. I even got a grafted tree, which I'm going to have future videos on grafting, how to graft different types of fruits and stuff, plants together. So anyway, I'm really excited. For May's tip of the month is when you move into a new place, get your fruit trees in right away. That way, in the near future, they come as quick as possible. You start bearing fruit, so you can enjoy that, rather than by the time you move to another place, or unless you're older and retired, of course. But when you're young like me, you never know. So anyway, this is Corey Lefevre with Garden Fever. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and all that fun stuff. There'll be lots and lots of stuff we're going to put in fences. I've already got wisteria, I've got currants, I've got grapes, it's going to be awesome. I'm excited. Until then, we'll see you then.